Another feature TVs are being marketed with is wide color gamut. In today's episode, I'll explain you what it is, how it will impact program deliverables, and if it really provides a much better viewing experience. In all HDR broadcasts, programming is mastered to a Rec 709 color gamut. We will draw the Rec 709 color gamut over our CIE 1931 chromaticity chart. This chart defines all the colors that the average human can physiologically see. All proposed HDR standards define Rec 2020 as the target color gamut. The problem with Rec 2020 is that currently there's no screen that can fully display the color gamut. The UHD Alliance certifies as UHD screens that accept a Rec 2020 signal but only have to display 90% of the DCI-P3 color gamut. This means all the post is carried out in DCI-P3 and in the final mastering stage it's mapped into a Rec 2020 container. This is a very reasonable practice, at least until Rec 2020 is fully implemented. A production that is currently graded in Rec 2020 won't be faithfully reproduced in commercial TVs, as the display will perform a roll-off or clip all the colors out of the screen's range. This will be different from screen to screen and out of the control of the colorist. So what are the benefits of our HDR wide color gamut production? How many more colors can we see? To answer this question, we will draw all three color gamuts in question over the pointers gamut. The pointers gamut is an attempt of defining a gamut of all the real surface colors found in nature. We could see that Rec 709 covers most of pointers gamut. And beyond the SDR standard, we could see the DCI-P3 color gamut. But when we think of the fact that the minimum is 90%, we could see that it's basically Rec 709. Rec 2020 is a far larger color gamut that nearly encompasses the whole human visual range. In practice, it increases the color volume we can work with and expands the saturation levels achievable in Rec 709. This is especially noticeable in man-made colors like neon signs and LED lights that in SDR clip the signal. Hope you enjoyed this episode about wide color gamut, and please join me in the next one if you want to know the backwards compatibility of HDR standards. Thank you very much.